Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a burger gag prismatic. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on a variety of colors and textures. We'll explore a unique layering technique that transforms a simple burger into a vibrant, edible masterpiece. This method ensures each bite offers a delightful surprise, both visually and in flavor. Get ready to elevate your burger game with this truly one-of-a-kind approach. To achieve the prismatic effect, we start with the patty. Incorporate a small amount of natural food coloring, like beet juice for red or spinach powder for green, directly into your ground meat before forming. For the buns, a light wash with a colored glaze, perhaps turmeric for yellow, adds another layer of visual interest. This foundational step sets the stage for a truly spectacular burger, ensuring every element contributes to the overall vibrant display. Now for the crucial layering technique. Think of your burger as a canvas. Start with a base of vibrant greens, like thinly sliced lettuce or spinach. Follow with a bright red tomato slice, then perhaps a yellow cheese, and finally a purple onion. The key is to create distinct, visible bands of color. Each layer should be thin enough to allow the colors beneath and above to peek through, building that stunning prismatic effect. For the grand finale, a few finishing touches elevate your prismatic burger. A long, decorative skewer not only holds everything together, but also adds a vertical element of visual appeal. Consider a sprinkle of microgreens or a few edible flower petals on top for an extra pop of color and elegance. Serve this masterpiece on a simple, contrasting plate to let its vibrant hues truly shine. This is the only way to create a truly unforgettable, prismatic burger experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.